Okay, so here we are for all you detail nerds. We're gonna do a quick comparison between the PF22.2 and the new Griots Garage foam cannon. Now, both of these are very, very similar. Now, supposedly, now you guys have been telling me, like I said earlier in the video, now this produces a little bit more foam, but we'll see about that. We're gonna put it to the true test. Now, this right here, PF22.2, if you guys are interested in something like this or this, I'll have links down in the description below, but this retails for about $90 without tax or shipping. This right here is about $60 from Griots Garage. I don't know if there's an Amazon link for this yet, but if there is, I'll make sure to link it down below. Now, they both come with a 1.1 orifice. If you have a high-powered pressure washer or a gas-powered pressure washer, they do provide a 1.25, so that's pretty cool. They both have quick disconnect fittings, and also, they're both very similar. You can adjust the foam output on both of them. On the Griots Garage, it's right here. If you want less foam, you want more foam, you just adjust it right here. This is pretty cool. And on the MTM, of course, you guys know, this is an awesome foam cannon, by the way. You just adjust it right there. Fan control on both of them. Also at the top. But the one thing is pretty cool. Let me just set this down. So this has a little weighted ball on the inside of the Griots Garage thingy. So if you, for some reason, you shoot your foam can sideways, which I don't shoot my foam cannon sideways, it'll still be able to pick up foam. But I guess if you turn it sideways, it's a little bit more serious. But anyways, besides the point. So we'll test them both out using the same type of soap, the same amount of soap. We'll put about 150 to 200 mils in both of them in the same amount of water, and we'll see which one produces better, more consistent, thick foam. Now, if you're saying to yourself, holy crap, those things are expensive for foam cannons, well, check this out. I also have a cheap $15, $16 foam cannon that you can get on Amazon Prime. I'll also have a link down in the description below if this is more of your thing. Pretty cool thing about both of these will both stand up by itself without tipping over, unlike the cheaper versions. But we got our measuring cup right here, 200 milliliters in both, which is a little bit too much, but I want to get as much foam as I can just for, for the video's sake, and see which one will produce more foam. I am not affiliated with any of these companies or so whatsoever. I paid full price for both of these, so regardless of which one produces better results, it doesn't matter to me. This one has a way bigger opening. I guess makes it easier to fill. We're gonna use Mr. Pink. I have a whole bunch of this, so this is pretty cheap, so we can waste a little bit of this stuff. I like the Honeydew Snow Foam from Chemical Guys, which is actually pretty good soap. I also use Adams. The blue soap, tried and true original blue Adams soap, works very well for me. Koshemi GSF, which is also another good one. Oh, spilled a little bit, but we'll compensate for that. I don't think it's gonna make a big difference. So this is way too much soap, guys. You guys don't need 200 milliliters of soap in your foam cannon. That's just way overkill. We'll just add a little bit into the PF22, there you go, to make up for the spilled amount, which is only just a dribble. Let's try not to spill this. So 200 milliliters, that's, I don't know, 1 full cup of soap, which is a lot. I don't care. So there you go. Let's fill it up with water. Okay, so got them both filled up with warm water. They both hold about the same amount of water, but one thing I like about the Griots Garage is the opening is a little bit bigger. Actually, it's a lot bigger, just making it a lot easier to fill. All right, let's do the shake test. You shake them up. They both leak. Yeah, they sure do. Okay, so first up, we'll do the PF22. We'll do this all uncut. All right, so no cuts at all. No funny business. Let's try this out. Here you go, as you can see. Let's turn this on. It's all the way on the max setting. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice thick foam. I don't know how you can beat that. There's no way that Griots Garage is gonna produce more. Now, granted, if I had a higher pressure washer, I'd be able to produce more foam, but I got what I got. It's just a cheap, big box store, Greenworks pressure washer. Look at that. Hope it's not blowing out on camera. Hope not. Well, there you go. Let's go ahead and rinse that off. And then we'll try the Griots Garage. Where's my nozzle? Okay. Always spray away first. Get all that soap off of there. Where's that other one? All right, first test with the Griots. Okay, here we go. No, let me take this off first. Oh, fits nice and well. I need a better pressure washer. Oh, laugh. Oh, wow, that is much thicker. Holy crap, wow. Wow. Can you guys see that? Look at this. This is, boys and girls, I think we got a winner here. Wow. That is definitely a lot more than the PF22. Only change was the actual foam cannon itself. Same water, same pressure washer, same soap. Wow. Well, there it is, guys, uncut. Remember, $60 for this. PF22 is about 90 bucks, so I'll let the results speak for themselves. And I'm using just a cheap pressure washer from Lowe's. It's about $200 for that pressure washer. Okay, so I just emptied out both foam cannons onto the car. As you can see, it's all foamed up right now. But a cool thing that I noticed on the Griots Garage foam cannon, actually, let me just show you the PF22. I do have about 2 or 3 ounces left at the bottom. Once it gets down to that level, it just spits out water. But if you look at the Griots Garage foam cannon, there's almost no solution left in there. That weighted ball really, really helps. Okay, so here we are in conclusion. I have all 3 foam cannons sitting right here, ranging from least expensive to most expensive. Now, I'll have links to all of these down in the description below, but the cheap Amazon foam cannon, which I filmed about 2 years ago, this comes out to about 20 bucks, and it does just fine. So depending on which one will fit your budget is the one I would recommend. But $20 right here, the Griots Garage is around $60, and the PF22.2 is around $90. Once you add tax and shipping, it comes out to about $100. All of these foam cannons are gonna do the job just fine. Now, a lot of it depends on your water quality. If you tend to have hard water, you're not gonna get as good foam, but also your mixture. I tend to use about 150 to 200 milliliters of soap, the rest with water, and that tends to give me good results. Now, in my area, I tend not to have hard water. Now, with that said, this is the one I highly recommend. What I like about the Griots Garage one, it is cheaper. It has that weighted ball on the bottom just to make sure that you get all of your solution out of the foam cannon. But as you can see, the PF22 doesn't have that weighted ball, and I have about 3 or 4 ounces still left in there. But I'm telling you guys, the cheap $20 one is going to do the job just fine. So with that said, oh, also I'm using a Greenworks pressure washer. I don't know the exact model number, but I'll put a link down in the description below of the pressure washer that I am using. Also, the soap that I use in the test was the Mr. Pink. I have a whole bunch of this. It's really, really cheap, which is the reason why I use a Mr. Pink one. The soap I tend to use right now is the Adams car shampoo. As you can see, this thing doesn't like to stand up. Tends to fall. But also, let's just put this to the side right now. Also, one soap that I've really been liking is the GSF Snow Foam. This is a great soap. Smells really, really good. It gives you that nice burst of that nice cherry scent. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend the Koshemi GSF Snow Foam if you guys haven't already. But with that said, I appreciate you guys' support. You know, just a quick test of all of these foam cannons. I figured you guys might be interested in stuff like that for all of you detail nerds out there. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Peace out.